Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're doing an update here for JASMY. So JASMY right now is trading at 0.03362. On the weekly time frame here, we can see that JASMY remains above our 38% of our Fibonacci level, showing that the buyers are still stepping in to defend this zone. Now, we did talk about that yesterday and a potential inverted hammer candlestick formulating on the weekly time frame, which is going to be a signal of a potential reversal. We will have confirmation next week in the next segment of our candlestick formation, and if it does show us some bullish aspects, then it is going to further push that inverted hammer candlestick into that confirmation. Now, taking a look at the price itself, but most importantly, some of our indicators, we do see the RSI here is roughly around 54%. Now, this is just a bullish significance because it hit more than 50%. So we're seeing some bullish momentum kind of build up in this week so far. Now, if we take a look closer at the price itself, we see again reclaiming above the 38% and closing above this is going to give us that bullish aspect, that bullish territory in a long-term reversal itself. So it's very, very important to keep our eyes on the closing above that 38%. Now, we do see some bullish momentum slowing down in terms of our MACD indicator. However, we do want to note that the MACD line is above our zero line, which does still show a lot of bullish aspects. Now, taking a look on our daily chart here, we can see that JASMY here has been rejected multiple times from the 20 moving average since the close of December 27th. So this is going to be treated as an immediate resistance, but most importantly, around our 61% of our Fibonacci. If JASMY is able to reclaim, retest, and break above the 61% of this fib at 0.036, we are most likely going to see that bullish kind of pull in on the weekly time frame itself. Now, we do see some of our indicators here. The RSI has dropped down to 38%. That is leaning a little bit more on the bearish side. And if we take a look at our MACD indicator, we're still seeing some bearish indicators. Bearish momentum is still present in this marketplace. So we do see most likely the price for JASMY is going to consolidate from an area of support to an area of resistance here until we see and confirm that breakout in the next couple of weeks to come. Now, zooming into the 4-hour time frame here, the 4-hour gives us a little bit more of a clearer picture as to, which dominancy is the bulls or the bears. And after seeing these candlesticks formation at the very top here, we see this rejection from our 20 moving average, and mostly the price is going to come and settle in an area of support. But taking a look on the daily time frame, again, we saw that consolidation range a little bit more refined, more retuned in the 4-hour time frame. And until we see some bullish reversal signs, especially coming down to 38% of this fib at 0.03, then the price is going to continue to come down. We do see some bearish signals as well. We see the MACD indicator, the line is below the 0%. Also, we see these histograms going into that darker red. But what we can see is these histograms are very, very small. So we don't see that huge dominancy in terms of those bears and the sellers itself. Another thing here too, we see these candlestick bodies are getting smaller in size. So we're seeing that tug of war between the bulls and the bears, and we may come down to an area of support and see that nice recovery. Targets that we should be watching for an upside scenario here, if JASMY can reclaim up to the 50%, then the next test is going to be breaking above the 20 moving average. If we're able to see that in the 4-hour time frame, in the daily time frame itself, we are most likely going to come up and retest this area of resistance. Now, for a bearish scenario here, losing the 50% and not even coming up to retest it, price itself may come down to the next Fibonacci that we just discussed at the 38%, or if not, if it may not hold, then the price is going to come down to 0.031. We may see some bearish scenarios going into today, going into tomorrow as well, as we see this body on the daily time frame kind of covering the previous candlestick. So we're seeing a bearish engulfing candlestick, which again is a reversal at this uptrend, but this isn't quite an uptrend itself. We're seeing that consolidation, but we do see dominancy in terms of the bears itself. And again, in the 4-hour time frame, that is the target we should be looking for, is if the price is able to hold at the 38%. If not, then the price itself can come down to 0.031 and can spark some interest in terms of the bulls. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.